How to fix bat_pool_caller error on Windows. 1. For advanced users only, determine the exact cause by viewing event viewer logs at %system root %\minidump and running driver verifier tool, verifier, and running mdschgd.exe. 2. Update potentially problematic. Drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back driver or uninstall the driver, if you can. 3. Update BIOS/